social and political commentary from a Christian male perspective.
All right. We asked, and guess what? We found out, well, we will find out in a moment about how long these lawsuits are going to carry on after Tiffany Henyard is out of office. So federal subpoena seeks Dolton records for bar and grill tied to Tiffany Henyard's lawsuit. We know this to be St. Patrick. Shout out to them. A federal grand jury subpoena delivered recently seeks Village Dolton's records regarding the embattled St. Patrick restaurant and rooftop bar property at 15022 Lincoln Avenue. The subpoena provided by the Village via the Daily Southtown Freedom of Information Act request seeks inspection reports and communications between the village officials, former and current building tenants, and property owners as part of a criminal investigation. What in the world is a criminal investigation? Oh, my goodness. Let's keep it going. Dolton trustee Jason House, who beat Henyard in the February 25th Democratic primary for mayor, said Monday he was unaware of the details of the subpoena, but said that the village will comply with the federal investigation. The village is commanded to appear before the grand jury or provide the documents by March 17th. So they got about 10 days, give or take. Meanwhile, a lawsuit filed by St. Patrick's to secure liquor license for its planned banquet hall, event space and restaurant, rooftop bar, and retail liquor store was continued Friday in Cook County Court. In January, Henyard, in her capacity as Dolton's liquor commissioner, was found in direct criminal contempt for dragging her feet on the licenses. Max Solomon, the attorney representing Henyard in numerous lawsuits, filed a motion Friday seeking a withdrawal as her attorney in the St. Patrick's lawsuit. The attorney representing St. Patrick's owner, Tiffany Kamara, objected to the withdrawal, saying there's a pending motion for sanctions directed toward Henyard and Solomon. Solomon is in deep weeds. But let's keep it going. The next hearing for the case is scheduled for 10:45 a.m. on May 2nd before the Cook County Judge Celicia Haran. Now, the reason I wanted to bring this up is because this is after May 2nd is after Tiffany Henyard has been removed as mayor. Jason House will be sworn in as mayor. I think it's on May 2nd or May 5th, but she's going to definitely be out of there by then. Kamara brought the St. Patrick property from Kamal Woods, Henyard's married boyfriend and former Thornton Township employee, for $200,000, according to the original lawsuit. The subpoena requests the village's correspondence with Woods as well as with Kamara's company, TAK Group Investments, LLC. They also ordered documentation of complaints launched against the subject property and documentation of negative or derogatory findings from inspections of the subject property. Okay, I have a theory, and I don't know this to be true, but I do know that there's some questions about the foundation of this building. There was some question about it. Was it concrete poured backwards or were screws put in upside down? I don't know. There was some kind of question about the foundation of this building. I'm wondering, this is just a speculation. Let me know down in the comments what you think. What if there really was nothing wrong with the foundation of this building? What if those inspectors, because you know that they're asking for the inspectors, what were the inspectors' records, the communications with them, and so on and so forth. Just follow me here. What if the inspectors actually fabricated whatever was wrong, that there was something wrong with the foundation of the building? What if it wasn't actually true? What if they never had a problem? And they were hoping that would slow down the progress of the building to the point that the Kamaras would have to basically be forced to sell at a discount to get out of it because they've sunk so much money into this property. What if that was the money move and they did that to slow them down so they would be more prone to maybe want to sell it? They allow them to build, because if you have a foundation problem, you have a problem with the building. but they didn't have to re-pour the concrete, didn't have to tear up the foundation. So I'm wondering if they didn't actually have a foundation problem, but they just had a perceived problem because the inspectors were trying to help Tiffany Henyard and her married boyfriend get this building so they could do whatever they wanted to do with it. Just a thought. It's crazy, but I think we've seen some pretty crazy things. But let's keep going. Federal investigators have twice before visited Dolton's Village Hall in search of documents, including expense reimbursements and other payments made to Mayor Tiffany Henyard. No charges have been filed. All right, so that is it. We're going to find out more. There's going to be more that pops up about this, I'm sure. But I want to hear what you all think. So down in the comments below, let me know what you think. Am I crazy about my theory? Do you think it's plausible that that theory could work? What do you think about it? Let me know down there in the comments, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Thanks so much, and until next time, everybody, grace and peace.